when you do a reassessment and if you find that you need to take more insurance or you probably undercover, that is when I believe that you should also be looking for a newer product or a better product, and just plain switching may not help.
Many a times we buy life insurance but are not completely happy with the policy that we have purchased. So we think about whether it is okay to continue with our old policy or should we consider buying new policy. So this is the discussion that we are going to have on Finance Made Simple by Canara HSBC Life Insurance. So I'm joined by Mr. Ritesh Rathore, who is the Chief Customer Retention and Data Officer with the firm. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Akshay.
So let's kickstart our conversation by understanding as to on what circumstances people change their old policies, and does it make sense to even do that?
So actually speaking, it doesn't make any sense, Akshat, because when you have purchased a policy, you have taken it as per the needs or whatever you would have planned for your own self. So just because someone is saying that XYZ is better than ABC, you should not just go ahead and change it. There has to be a thorough assessment of what is the need, and then probably a decision should be arrived at. But in majority of the cases, surrendering your existing policy and taking a new policy would not make any sense.
So the question that I would have as a layman is that I see product improvements everywhere. The laptops get better with time, phones get better with time. So do not insurance products get better with time? And why should I not consider those?
Right. Very valid question. And obviously, yes, insurance has also evolved over a period of time. The charges have become lower from what they used to be earlier. However, like I said, the large part of charges are front-ended. So you've already paid large part of charge in your initial years of the policy. So changing it at a later end doesn't make any sense, because from there on it will be as good as any new product, or it will still be better than a new product that you're going to buy, because for a new product again you will be bearing those front-end charges. So it doesn't make any sense from my point of view.
So just brainstorming with you, so are there any circumstances where it might make sense for people to switch their insurance?
Switching insurance, or rather I will put it, when you do a reassessment and if you find that you need to take more insurance or you probably undercover, that is when I believe that you should also be looking for a newer product or a better product, and just plain switching may not help you or help your cause.
Right, so just drilling down further on this. So many a times our life situation changes, right? Maybe I've purchased a pure life term insurance and I'm looking for a more savings oriented product now.
Right.
So would it make sense to change policies under such circumstances?
Right. So again here I would say not to change a policy, because a pure protection obviously is required, and if you're the earning member of the family, then a pure protection is a very, very important part of your financial portfolio. Mm-hmm. So when you have a life goal, that is where a savings product comes into picture, and that saving product can be an add-on to a term product, because term product, when you purchased it early in your life, it helps you secure your life also, and the younger you buy, the cheaper it is. So you should continue with that, but also look at and basis your risk appetite, you can either go with a traditional savings product or a market-linked savings product, which will help you meet your life goal.
Right. So finance is or personal finance is highly personal in nature. It has the word personal in it. Given my life circumstances, given other people's life circumstances, they might seek more clarity around this topic. Mm-hmm. So what are the right forums to approach? Because insurance products are missold at times. People are giving lucrative offers. So is there a right forum where I can get and assess more information which might give me a more better understanding about my personal needs?
Very important one indeed, Akshat. Most of the life insurance companies on their website do put in how and what are the key components of a life insurance product, and so do we have on our website as well. So I would encourage people to visit those. Similarly, there's also a Life Insurance Council and IRDA, who is our regulator. Both of them also on their website have captured in simple terms, in layman term, what an insurance product is and how to decode it. So it's a simple thing. It's just, if you take out some time and understand few basics, it's a very simple product.
Right. Thank you so much for this insightful chat. Just very few important points. Number one, in majority of the cases, it might not make sense for you to switch your old life insurance. Point number two is that all the information that you need in order to assess your personal situation is available out in the open. So you can visit company's website, you can go and visit government-oriented website, which will give you a very good clarity on this topic. So I hope that this gave you a sense as to whether you should be switching or not switching your insurance, and we will see you the next time.
कैनरा HSBC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, प्रॉमिसेस का पार्टनर।